Welcome to Cablecast Broadcast Automation. This is the place to start. In this video, we will go over all the basics of the Cablecast main menu, as well as how to navigate the Cablecast user interface. Let's get started. The main menu of Cablecast gives you a clean and informative overall look at your system. Across the top, you will see a system status bar showing up-to-date information about autopilot, digital file status, video on demand content status, and overall system health. In the top right corner is the real-time server clock. This clock shows the time of the main server configured with your system. All playback, routes, and recordings are triggered from that clock. On the left side of the main menu is the menu bar, with an icon representing each main section of the user interface. As you navigate the interface, these menu icons will remain on the left side of the screen, allowing you to quickly and easily switch between sections at any time. Lastly, the center of the screen contains your channel preview. In this section, there is a display of current and upcoming content for each channel on your server. This includes a countdown for when the next program airs, as well as when it is scheduled to end. Those are the basics of the main menu and navigation in Cablecast. To learn more about creating and scheduling shows in Cablecast, check out the rest of this video series, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.